Welcome! In this video I will quickly show how to turn off Do Not Disturb on Android. So you can switch off D&D mode by either opening the control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar, locating the control or tile or a shortcut for the Do Not Disturb mode, like it is here in my case, and once it is located, tap on it to switch the feature off, if it is enabled of course. You can also switch off the Do Not Disturb mode through your device's settings. Typically you'll need to go into settings, then find the sound or sound and vibration category, and somewhere there you should be typically able to locate the Do Not Disturb mode preferences from a page from which you can also switch the D&D mode off. Or you can always use your settings search if you are struggling with locating the feature manually, of course. Here it is. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.